A draft report published by the NATO Parliamentary Assembly confirms that Belgium is one of several European countries storing hundreds of United States nuclear bombs. This is the first time a clear confirmation has been made doing away with the policy that neither confirmed nor denied the existence of nukes in Belgium. The document was published on the Assembly's website in April but changed on July 11. It stated that between 10 to 12 American nuclear weapons are stored in the Klein-Brogel Air Base, in the province of Limburg. Belgian Daily de Morgan claimed that it managed to get a copy of the document before its final paragraph was replaced. According to the outlet, the document previously read, "In the context of NATO, the United States is deploying around 150 nuclear weapons in Europe, in particular B-61 free bombs, which can be deployed by both US and Allied planes. These bombs are stored in 6 American and European bases, Klein-Brogel in Belgium, Buchel in Germany, Aviano and Geditorre in Italy, Volkel in the Netherlands and Incirlik in Turkey. It has resulted in a lot of outrage in Belgium, though an unidentified military source said that the stance was beneficial to Belgium and stated, "Nuclear weapons in our country do not cost our country anything and we sit at the table with the big boys." In this video, Global Updates analyzes the impact of confirmation that Belgium hosts US nuclear weapons. Let's get started. Subscribe to Global Updates for videos like this. The B-61 nuclear bomb is the primary thermonuclear gravity bomb in the US cache. It is a low to intermediate yield strategic and tactical nuclear weapon featuring a 2-stage radiation implosion design. The weapon is 3.56 meter, 11 foot 8 inches, long, with a diameter of about 13 inches. Its basic weight is about 320 kilograms or 700 pounds, although the weight of individual weapons may vary depending on version and fuse retardation configuration. The B-61 is a variable yield, kiloton range weapon. Tactical versions, mods 3, 4, and 10, can be set to 0.3, 1.5, 5, 10, 45, 60, 80, or 170 kilotons explosive yield. The strategic version, B-61 Mod 7, has 4 yield options, with maximum of 340 kilotons. To give viewers a perspective, here is a comparison. Trinity test in New Mexico on July 1945, which ushered in the nuclear age, had a yield of 20 kilotons. Hiroshima's Little Boy bomb had a yield of 13 to 18 kilotons, whereas Nagasaki's Fat Man bomb had a yield of 20 to 22 kilotons of TNT. Belgium has ordered 37 F-35 fifth-generation Lightning II stealth fighters. These jets are expected to be delivered by 2024. It is also in track to buy additional 15 jets. Belgium has selected the F-35A, which is the conventional takeoff and landing, CTOL, variant. In October last year, Belgium officially selected the F-35, becoming the 13th country to join the program. F-35 trumped the bid by the governments of Spain, Italy, Germany, and the UK for the Eurofighter Typhoon, informal offer by France for the Das Aldrifel, and an option to upgrade its existing F-16s. The F-35 Lightning II is a single-seat, single-engine, all-weather multi-role stealthy fighters designed by Lockheed Martin. Major Emily Grabowski, U.S. Air Force spokeswoman, had stated last year, detailed risk reduction activities have been completed ensuring the F-35A is fully compatible with the B-61-12 weapon. Planning for Block 4 nuclear certification efforts have begun in anticipation of initial B-61-12 integration on the F-35A this year, so, it is clear that the F-35A could be used for delivery of B-61. This is a significant capability and is basically aimed at Russia. This will come in as a deterrent against any Russian plan to carry out an invasion of Europe, which has many NATO members. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.